Hello, my name is Karen Kidder. Welcome to Math for Trades. I have been teaching for over 18 years and I am privileged to be your instructor for the next 6 weeks. This course is structured to give you a solid mathematics foundation. This is needed for a successful career in any of the trades programs. To help you master the skills in each week's lesson, you will be presented with plenty of sample problems, practice problems, and problem-solving activities. These are all geared towards scenarios found in various trade professions. Because of my extensive teaching career, I already have a pretty good idea to whom I'm speaking. Raise your hand if you love math. Raise your hand if you love math. Ah, I knew there were a couple of you out there. Enjoy the class and know that I'm here if you have any questions. Now, raise your hand if you've been stressing about this class. If you believe you may have a difficult time passing this class, raise your hand. Okay, put your hands down. Hear me. You are the reason I teach math. This is why I love to teach. I am here for you every step of the way. You can do this. I know you can do this. I will break every problem down step by step. Let's do it together. As we start this journey, please know that I'm available to help 7 days a week. You will find my contact information in the syllabus. I am an email, text message, or phone call away. Communication is key to success in this class. I will respond as soon as possible. While waiting for a response from me, don't hesitate to check the discussion boards. The answer may already be there. Other key factors to your success? Do not procrastinate. Log in each day, do the required reading, and the practice math problems. Submit these on time. Participate in the discussion boards. If there is a question posted from another student and you can help them, please post a response. Lastly, stay engaged and do not hesitate to ask for help. I look forward to hearing from you. Happy calculating. Take care.